Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, MSN Haidar, and I am so excited you're here tonight. I mean today. Whatever time it is, I'm just glad you're here. We've got a great show for you. A really great show. We're going to talk about something we all have, something we think we know really well, but honestly, it's a house of horrors and wonders. I'm talking about the human body. That's right, you, me, all of us. We're walking, talking miracles of weirdness. And I've been digging deep looking for the most bizarre, the most surprising, the most "are you kidding me" facts about our own bodies. You think you know yourself? I thought I did too. Then I found out my stomach acid could dissolve a razor blade. It's like having a tiny, angry superhero living in your gut. We're going to explore 10 unbelievable secrets that your body has been keeping from you. From glowing in the dark to having a skeleton that completely replaces itself every decade. It's like we're all secretly Wolverine, but you know, way slower and with more back pain. It's going to be a wild ride through our own biology, folks. So grab a snack, get comfortable, and stick around because the last fact we're going to talk about is, without a doubt, the weirdest one of them all. You are not going to want to miss it. Seriously, it's a game changer. Let's get into it. All right, first up, let's talk about your stomach. We all know it's where the magic happens after a big meal, right? It's like the mosh pit of your digestive system. But here's something crazy. Your stomach gets a completely new lining every 3 to 4 days. Yes, you heard me right. It's constantly redecorating. It's like it gets bored of the wallpaper and tears it down to start fresh. But instead of shiplap, it's using mucus. Why the constant makeover? The acid in your stomach is incredibly powerful. pH 1.5 to 3.5. Strong enough to break down steak, and as we'll see later, even metal. Your stomach cells secrete a thick mucus layer, like a superhero force field, shielding the walls from its own corrosive juices. The barrier takes a beating, so the body's solution is to constantly rebuild the wall. An endless cycle of destruction and reconstruction. It's a full-time construction crew working 24/7 so you don't digest yourself from the inside out. Okay, your stomach is renovating, but your bones are doing it too, on a longer timeline. Your skeleton is a living, dynamic organ, constantly remodeling itself. Osteoclasts act like a demolition crew, breaking down old bone. Osteoblasts are the builders, laying down new, strong bone. It repairs microfractures, regulates blood calcium, like a city tearing down and putting up new buildings while people still live there. Over about 10 years, your skeleton is mostly replaced. It's the ship of Theseus, but for your body. Soft. You glow in the dark. No, I'm not kidding, you are bioluminescent. In 2009, ultra-sensitive cameras recorded humans emitting tiny amounts of visible light, about 1,000th of what our eyes can see. It's a byproduct of metabolism. Free radicals interact with fats and proteins, releasing teeny photons, microscopic fireworks in your cells. The glow varies daily, dimmer in the morning, peaking late afternoon, strongest on cheeks, forehead, and neck, tied to your internal clock. So while you're not a firefly, you are literally radiant. A quiet, invisible shine from all the life buzzing inside you. Strongest muscle, biceps, quads, good guesses. But wrong. Pound for pound, the masseter, your jaw muscle, takes the crown. Working together, your jaw can bite with up to about 200 pounds on the molars, like a 200-pound person standing on your back teeth. A thick, cleverly arranged muscle plus biomechanical leverage equals massive pressure in a small package. Next time you bite an apple, nod to your masseters, the real heavy lifters. Okay, let's move on to something a little moist. We're talking about saliva, spit, drool. You make about 0.75 to 1.5 liters a day. Call it a liter. That's 365 liters a year. Over 29,000 liters in 80 years. More than 7,600 gallons. Enough to fill 1, maybe 2 swimming pools. Why so much? It starts digestion, lubricates swallowing, washes debris, fights bacteria, protects teeth, and helps you taste. Don't sell your nose short. A landmark study suggests humans can detect at least 1 trillion different scents. About 400 receptor types combine like piano keys, creating unique scent chords your brain recognizes. Smell is wired straight into emotion and memory. A superhighway of nostalgia. So when you stop to smell the roses, remember, your nose is a sensory marvel. More scents than colors we can see or tones we can hear. Your nose is your most sensitive sense, and a memory bank. Back to the stomach. A weird place. Hydrochloric acid in your gut is no joke. In lab tests, simulated gastric acid dissolved metal. It can dissolve razor blades. If you swallowed one, do not ever do this. Your acid would go to work. Researchers saw blades lose over 60% of their mass in 2 hours. That corrosive power sterilizes food and sets the stage for pepsin to slice proteins for absorption. Your stomach is a biological blast furnace, melting meals into digestible slurry. Your gut has some serious guts. Gentle. This next fact is emotional. Literally, humans are believed to be the only animals that cry emotional tears. Sadness, joy, frustration, relief. Lots of animals produce basal and reflex tears for lubrication and irritants, like dust or onions. But emotional crying? One leading idea. It's a social signal, a powerful nonverbal call for help and empathy. Another theory, self-soothing. Crying releases oxytocin and endorphins that ease pain and stress. That's why you feel relief after a good cry, a biological reset button. Crying isn't weakness. It's a complex social tool and soothing mechanism, a profound expression of our inner world, uniquely human. We stop getting taller, but a couple of parts miss the memo. Your ears and nose, mostly cartilage, keep growing very slowly, and gravity adds a sagging effect over time. A double whammy, cellular proliferation and downward pull. Changes are tiny each year but add up over decades. They really do get bigger. Here's the weird daily one. You're taller in the morning than at night. Your spine's discs plump up with fluid overnight. Gravity squeezes them during the day, so you shrink about 1 to 2 centimeters, sometimes up to an inch. Sleep resets the height. In space, astronauts decompress and can gain up to 2 inches. Want to be taller, sleep more, or become an astronaut? And that's a wrap. We are glowing, shrinking, self-renovating, razor-dissolving, pool-filling, super-sniffing miracles of weirdness. Who knew? I feel like I need to go talk to my body about what other secrets it's hiding. From a new stomach lining every few days to being taller in the morning. Our bodies are doing millions of incredible things every second. Which fact blew your mind? Glowing in the dark? 2 swimming pools of saliva? The daily shrink and grow? Tell me in the comments. I'll be down there reading. If you had fun, hit like, it really helps. Subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss a single video. We've got so much more to explore. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.